Hey everyone, now in this section we will discuss about 4-bit codes. As you all know about 8421 code and 6421, 2221, like that. We have to convert from decimal to binary. So in the same way we have converting 6421 to 2221, 84 minus 2 minus 1. These are some examples of 4-bit codes. In the same way, we are converting 8421 means from by decimal means in decimal 0 842100. In the same way we have converting 6421 and 2221 84 minus 2 minus 1. These are we are now discussing in this class. These are 4-bit codes. Binary, we know about binary values, zeros, ones. 8421, 6421, 2221. In this also we use binary values only, zeros and ones. So let us see this table. I have already noted this 4-bit codes. Let's observe this. In decimal 1, here we represented 8421. Here we have 1, so we keep 1 here. In 6421 we have 1 here, so we put 1 here. 842 minus 1. Here 4 minus 2 minus 1, we get 1 only. So we using these 3 digits, so we keep 1 here, 1, 1. In 2221, 0, 0, 1, 1. Here we get 2 minus 1, 1. So we get 1. So 2, 2, we keep 1 here. And decimal 2, 0, 0, 1, 0 in 8421. 0, 0, 1, 0 in 6421, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 in 84 minus 2 minus 1, and 2221. Here we keep, here also 1, here we have 2221. As we keep 1 here also we get 2 value, and here 1 also we get 2 value only. Here also we get 2. So I keep here 1. And in decimal 3, 0, 0, 1, 1 in 8421, 6421, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 in 84 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 in 2221. In the same way, decimal 4, 0, 1, 0, 0 in 8421, 0, 1, 0, 0 in 6421. Here we have 4, so we keep 1 here. And 84 minus 2 minus 1. Here we have 1 value, so here we have 4 in decimal 4, here we have 1. And 2221, here 2, 2, we get 4 value. In the same way, 5 also from decimal 2 we are converting 8421, 6421, 84 minus 2 minus 1, 2221. And decimal 6, here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is 8421, 1 triple 0 is 6421, 1, 0, 1, 0 in 84 minus 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 in 2221. In this way we are converting from decimal values to 8421, 6421, 84 minus 2 minus 1, and 2221. Also we have to convert these from 3421 or else 4321. In this way we have to convert these decimal values into these 4-bit codes. These are 4-bit codes. How we are converting from decimal to 8421, 6421, 84 minus 2 minus 1, 2221. In this section we will learn this. These are 4-bit codes, and this is the introduction of 4-bit codes. Thank you for watching this video.